students. Today let us learn about civilization. During most of the prehistoric period, people lived in small groups and wandered in search of food from place to place. They hunted, fished and gathered wild food like fruits, vegetables, berries and nuts. They were called as hunter-gatherers. After the discovery of farming, the development of agriculture began with the growing of crops and the domestication of animals. In order to farm, people settled in one place and built their houses. The new settlements became villages. As prehistoric people became better farmers, they began to produce surplus goods, that is, extra food, to support larger villages. In due course of time, some villages developed into cities. Since food was in plenty, more and more people began to take up other occupations like making tools, paintings, trading, making clay pots and other activities of civilized life. Farmers also invented agricultural implements, that is, agricultural tools like axe, sickle, hammer, grinding stone and many more to make their work easier. New ideas developed. Thus, the invention of farming paved way for the development of civilization. The word or the term civilization comes from the Latin word for townsman or citizen, which means citizen of a city. In simple words, civilization means the way people live together in a certain place at a certain time. There were several civilizations that existed in the ancient world. Though they did not all exist at the same time, most of the earliest civilization developed near rivers. Since most of the civilization came up close to the rivers, they were referred as river-based civilizations. There were four major river-based civilizations in the ancient period. They were the Mesopotamian civilization along the rivers Tigris and Euphrates, the Egyptian civilization along the Nile River, the Harappan civilization along the river Indus, and the Chinese civilization along the river Wang He or Yang Ho, which is now called as the Yellow River. Now let us see the location of the four major river-based civilizations on the world map. Red stands for the Chinese civilization. Purple stands for the Harappan civilization. The green stands for the Mesopotamian civilization and yellow stands for the Egyptian civilization. Early civilizations arose and flourished in the river valleys for various reasons. Reasons for settlement near rivers. Rivers provided water for crops to grow, due to which farming was possible by the early farmers. The soil near the rivers are fertile for crops to grow well. They could get soft clay for building their houses. They used soft clay for plastering the walls of their houses. The inhabitants, means the people of this place, could get water for themselves, that is for cooking, for bathing, for washing, for their cattle and for their fields. They could use the rivers to go from place to place in their boats. Since roads did not exist during those days, trade was possible due to rivers. Transportation was easy. Due to all these reasons, rivers were the lifeblood of the ancient civilization. So, most of the civilizations developed close to the rivers. All civilizations had some common features in them. Now let us study the key features of all the civilizations. It had city. A city was larger than a village. It had increased population and people were involved in different types of activities, that is, different occupations. Trade. People practiced farming. Farming was considered as their main occupation. Due to farming, they could produce extra or surplus goods. Surplus goods made trade possible. Writing. They used signs, symbols, pictures were put together to form a word. This helped them to communicate. They used to write on the walls and on the clay tablets. Government. They had an organized government. A group of people made laws and maintained order in the society. Art and architecture. Each civilization had a unique style of building structure, and they were also good in art and painting. Religion. They followed religion. They had a set of beliefs about God and how to worship. Specialization. Apart from farming, people also developed skills for specific jobs. These are all features of a civilization. A civilization is a culture and a way of life. Thank you.